what's up, and welcome back to spring cleaning part 2. This vlog is already not going according to plan. So this week turned out to be just crazy busy, kind of just one of those weeks where things kept going wrong. Hi. Today's such a hot mess. My internet. Oh my god, today is such a struggle city. My video is not uploading. This week is a lot. This week is testing me. There's snow outside, which what the heck? And like kind of TMI, but this is warm water and I've just been holding it against my uterus all morning because that's been a thing. And I'm having the cramps from absolute hell. Like today's a lot, man. Today is a lot. Okay, grab it. So this is how much laundry I need to do. And also, Bentley has to go outside just to sit. I didn't do my laundry last Sunday because it was such a crazy day, and this is 2 weeks of laundry. I'm a little embarrassed. Last weekend when I was spring cleaning, I found a bunch of different treasures, but one of the treasures I found is I didn't open some of the mail that I got when I first moved in, and I forgot about the pile. I had it in this like messy drawer. So I opened a couple envelopes and I actually got a check back from my lawyer that helped me do the closing of this house. I ended up getting like a kickback from that because, I don't know, maybe they didn't use all of the legal fees, I'm assuming. And decided I wanted to use that little bit of extra money towards getting my patio furniture, and I'm really excited. I got this cute little outdoor moon lamp. I believe it's solar, but it looks like a little moon and it's holding a little globe. I got just like a little corner sectional with a coffee table that also can come up into a dining table, which will be perfect for working outside. It's Saturday around noon. It's like 11, almost about to be 11:11. I was planning on doing things through the week this week during my nighttime, like cleaning my closet, that I just didn't get time to get to. But that's okay, I'm just rolling with it. I'm really trying to expand to my challenges and my hiccups this week, and just, you know, the bigger you are, the less painful things feel. Does that make sense? Like a book I recently read that described it really well was, if you pour a spoonful of salt into a cup of water and drink it, it'll taste really salty. But if you pour a spoonful of salt into a pond or a lake and then you take a sip from that pond or lake, if it was, you know, not polluted, then you wouldn't taste the salt as much. And that's basically the metaphor to expand when you're faced with challenges rather than closing in on them. I've just been trying to do that, so that's why I'm rolling with the punches, and I'm cool with the fact that I'm only getting to my part 2 spring cleaning right now. And I still have other things to do and other things to upload, but I'm gonna take a break right now off my laptop while my video uploads. It's gonna take 2 hours, yay. And while it uploads, I'm gonna build the patio furniture, because once it's done, I can then use the patio furniture to do the rest of my work today. You see how that works? But I'm also not gonna be too crazy about it. There's future weekends coming up. I can make this a 6-part freaking spring clean series if I need to, so that just takes the pressure off myself a little bit. I don't know why I'm still rambling to you. I have only had 1 coffee, if you'll believe it. I think I'm just in a really good mood. I'm really excited to be here with you today. hot water wasn't working for a few days, so I was taking ice cold showers in the morning, which was making me very cranky. There were a couple mishaps, you know, got some bumps and bruises. Also, my legs are very hairy, so just steer clear of this area. That's just life, that's fine. I'm just gonna roll with the punches, and today I'm gonna do a major GYST day to get ready for May. My Wi-Fi cut out during my live event on Thursday, so I'm actually doing a rehost of the same live event today on Sunday. Next weekend will be better for planting anyways, considering where I live in Ontario. I found that out recently. So without further ado, let's get into our spring cleaning part 2. Well, shit. I mean, I knew it was gonna have a copyright strike because it's Taylor Swift's music, but I didn't think it would be completely blocked from being uploaded. Oh, no, it's fine. It's all good. It's all good. Expand. Expand. This doesn't bother me. smartest idea I've ever had. see, we did not get to what I had planned to get to this week. The biggest pimples right here on my face. One's right here, one's right here. It hurts. Those kind of pimples. All of the little hiccups I had this week were really small. Like, I know that when I'm freaking out about my Wi-Fi or pimples, these are very small scale issues. When you are stressed out, when you are anxiety prone, when you are just in general laying it on thick, if you're not doing the proper self-care, if you're not taking care of your mind, your body, or your soul, then these small things feel like big things. It gets really easy to close in on these small things and make them feel like big things, make them feel like personal attacks almost, proof that we're meant to be set back, that we're meant to fail, like life is meant to feel hard, you know? Even if consciously you're like, I know that's a stupid thing to think, even just a couple, like year ago, not even a couple years ago, like a year ago, these types of challenges, maybe 2 years ago, I'll give 2020 me credit. A week like this of these tiny truly micro problems, I would close in on things like that and I would allow it to stir me up and make me super anxious and like super worried, and everything suddenly feels so make or break, and like every tiny little setback was just proof of how unworthy or like not good enough I was, or I mean, insert anything here. We all have our own self-limited beliefs or self-limiting beliefs in one sense or another, or our own insecurities in one sense or another. All I'm getting at is if you can relate to that, or if you're feeling extra challenged right now, just know that you're not crazy for feeling kind of like frazzled about it. If I can give a friendly piece of advice, the whole metaphor for expanding, like truly picturing it, whenever I would face to the challenge this week, I would have my little frazzled freak out moment, and then I would picture myself going from a cup of water to a lake or a pond. The space to just include this challenge. And it really worked, it really helped. Today really helped doing the deep reset, getting a good gist in, a good deep clean. My sinks and my toilets are clean again, thank God. Like things were getting that out of hand. And now I feel like I'm prepared to go into this next week, maybe even coast for a night or two, maybe get some good sleep, plant a garden. Things are good, things are looking up. So I'm gonna leave you guys here. Thank you for hanging out with me today, joining in on my week, joining in on this reset and my little pep talk today. Try and take a bath now before editing this video. My leg hair could be braided. TMI, sorry, but holy shit. I feel very, very attractive right now.